So the new kid on the block that we've got here at Sable is Epres. It is our bond repairing treatment. You might feel like, oh, don't we already have that? Yes, we do, in Olaplex. And this is most exciting because it's from the same inventor as Olaplex, Eric Presley. So he has reinvented his product, relaunched it. Wow, he's actually changed the game. So we thought we couldn't get any better than Olaplex, but he has totally done that. When you get your hair coloured, when you use straightening irons or other heated tools, or just generally are outside with your hair, whether it's from sun damage or swimming, your internal bonds of the hair break down. So the great thing about bond repair treatments is they go internally into the hair and rebuild the hair like new. It's amazing. So when you compare it to other treatments, other masks, they're more kind of fix the outside of the hair. So they give it shine and repair, but bond repair treatments go inside the hair. It's keeping the integrity of the hair a bit more, keeping the acid balance of your hair. So it's kind of slightly different to Olaplex, and we feel like it is definitely a step up from Olaplex as well. And it is so much easier to use. So we've had feedback straight away. Gosh, I think within the first week we had our first message from a client saying what a game changer it is. It is easier to use than Olaplex. The results are more impressive than K18, that's for sure. And the amount of shine that you get is phenomenal. I couldn't get over how quickly we started getting feedback about Epres. I think even within the first week. And I'm just gonna quickly read what one of our clients messaged us. She said it was super easy to apply. She sprayed on her dirty, dry hair, made a bun, and she forgot about it. Went for some errands, did some housework, and then she washed her hair. The result was, she said, soft and shiny. She mixed it with mineral water, which I thought was quite a cool idea. And she said her shoulder length thin hair, she would easily have got 4 applications from the initial bottle. Super practical. She said it was so much easier than both Olaplex and K18, and she said that she didn't even feel like she needed a deep conditioner afterwards. And yeah, she said she loved it and she would highly recommend it. So I mean, gosh, I think she'd only used it once and she could see results already. It was phenomenal. So when you buy Epres for the first time, I'm just going to talk you through what comes in the box. So the initial kit that you need to purchase comes with a spray bottle and 2 of the Epres concentrate vials. So all you have to do is open your spray bottle, pop the vial of the concentrate in, use the whole vial, and then top up your spray bottle with water. Now just spray onto your dry hair. Now we've had a few questions about, is it okay that your hair's dirty? That's totally fine. Maybe not super filthy, but you know, 2, 3, 4 days is totally fine of unwashed hair. So spray it on. You want to saturate the hair, but it doesn't need to be dripping wet. So in theory, a bottle of the vial should last 4 to 6 applications. So you comb it through. Now they say leave for a minimum of 10 minutes, but you know, like pop it in before you go to the gym, or if you're going to do some gardening or just mooching around the house. And then you want to shampoo and condition your hair afterwards. So unlike other treatments that you apply afterwards, you're popping this into dry hair, shampoo and conditioning it out. Now you'll find that the results do make your hair soft and shiny, so you're not really going to have to use anything deep like a intense mask or anything afterwards, because this will do all the repair for you. So yeah, you'll be left with shiny, healthier, much improved hair. So we can't wait to hear what you have to say about Epres. Would love your feedback. Any questions, just drop us a line and yeah, we can answer them for you.